Hey there, and welcome to Eternal Computing's first YouTube video. Now, for those of you that don't know, Eternal Computing is a small computer services business in the Leeds area of United Kingdom. We're here today to offer you a nice video on basically educating how you can clear the cache of your computer, and just some ways that you can help reduce the risks of some viruses and increase some of the speed and space on your hard disk. So we're going to start off with going to Google. You can see, nice and simple. You're going to be looking for a website called FileHippo, which brings you to this site. You're going to click on that. Now, as you can see, FileHippo is quite a big site. We can download loads of free applications. The ones that we're going to be looking at today in particular is CCleaner. Sorry. Now, to download it, all you do is click here, and then download the latest version. Now, this will take just time to start up. Once it does, it'll be nice and quick download, as you can see there. Once it's downloaded, you want to install it. This will take seconds. Doesn't actually take that long at all. So there's next. I agree. You want to make sure them are ticked. Let that install. Now, what this program does is it'll look through all your recycle bins and through also the folders where, say if you're on the internet and you're looking at things, the page that you're looking at will save a thing called a cookie onto your computer, and this is that all your user data that you entered can be saved for your next visit. Now, what this program does, it helps clear that to make sure that no malicious sites can take all your information, and it'll also just clear up any space, because in some computers it can take up to 1 GB of space, and if you haven't got a lot on your hard drive, that's space you could need. Right, so the installation is finished now, so we're going to run that. Alright, here we go. Now, I'm going to start off by making sure that everything in here is ticked, that can be ticked. Anything that's greyed out, obviously, I can't change. Once that's done, I'm going to look at applications. And again, make sure everything's ticked, which by default it already will be, which is great for us. Now you have two choices here. You can run a quick analyze, or you can run the cleaner straight away. Now I'm going to run the cleaner, because it will do an analyze process in the meantime. This process will permanently delete files from your system. Now this I would ignore, because the files it will delete isn't anything major. But if there is something that you don't want deleting, make sure you do untick it from the boxes. Okay, so here we go. This doesn't take long at all as well. It just depends on how much files there is to delete actually as well. So here we go. It's just checking all the internet files now. Because I've got Google Chrome open in the background as well, I will get an error message telling me to close it. I'm going to ignore that for now, but I would recommend that you actually close it yourself and let it get the full cleaning done. After this, I'll also show you what else CCleaner can be used for, and a way that you can actually set it up to run every time you start a computer, which saves you having the hassle of trying to open it and clean it yourself. So as you can see, it's already at 72%, so that's almost done. And there we go. I've just removed 9.2 GB of data that I didn't need. That's everything from the trash cans and whatever else it could find. Right, so as I mentioned before, I'm going to show you a way that you can make sure it starts up with you when the computer starts. Now, how to do that is you want to go to Options, you want to go to Settings, and you want to make sure this tick box here is ticked. Now, automatically it will be ticked from the start. If you want to disable it as well, just make sure you untick it, and that'll all be fine there. Also, another great feature here is you can actually choose which hard disks you want to actually delete from. Now, in your case, it might say local disk C. Now, that's what you might want to keep it as. If you've got any other hard drives though, and you want to start cleaning through them, do tick the ones that you need. Also, as I mentioned earlier, CCleaner is also used for another lovely little application, which is Registry Cleaner. Now, I'm not going to show you how to use that in this video, simply because it's quite an advanced thing, and you need to know how to back it up and how to restore it again, just in case anything does go wrong. So we'll leave that for now. And I just want to thank you all for listening in to our YouTube video here at YouTube as it goes. And I'd like to mention that if anyone has any requests for little things they'd like us to do, simply send us an email at the email that's presented in the comments section of this area, or go to our website, which is eternalcomputing.com, go to Contact Us, and send us a lovely little message here on the Contact Us page. We'll also be gladly do anything to help you guys and helping your fellow viewers.